Welcome everyone to another episode of Another Day, another AI automation, all with a no-code approach. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to build a simple Retrieval-Augmented Generation RAG agent, no coding required using Make. Our mission: we're going to create a smart AI EU Act agent that can answer questions directly from your own documents. We'll use the Make platform, connect it with SambaNova's API, and harness the power of Meta Llama 4 Maverick, all with just a free SambaNova API key. I'll walk you through each step: how to set up your free SambaNova API key, how to upload your documents into Make, and how your AI agent will use those docs to answer your questions instantly. So if you're ready to see real AI automation in action, let's dive in and start building. No code needed. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more. I'm doing a 100 days no code AI automation challenge, posting new tutorials every day. Subscribe on YouTube and join me on this journey to make AI accessible for everyone.